Hello, my name's Dean. I'm the Household Hazardous Waste Coordinator here at the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services. It's my job to help New Hampshire residents reduce toxins in our homes. Today, we're going to look at window and glass cleaner and the way they affect indoor air quality and your health. Poor indoor air quality can be linked to a wide variety of adverse health effects, including headaches, respiratory problems, sore throats, chronic coughing, eye irritation, and lethargy. These effects can be even more severe for people with asthma and other chronic respiratory conditions. Most household glass cleaners contain either ammonia or a compound called butyl-cellulose, both of which have subtle but serious health effects and contribute to poor indoor air quality. Butyl-cellulose is a colorless liquid that has a sweet, ether-like odor as it is derived from ethylene glycol, the main ingredient in antifreeze. Butyl-cellulose enters the body through the skin, inhalation, or oral consumption. Sustained exposure to high concentrations can cause adrenal tumors as well as skeletal birth defects. Ammonia is a corrosive compound that, when inhaled in low concentrations, can cause coughing and nose and throat irritation. Exposure to high concentrations of ammonia fumes cause immediate burning of the eyes, nose, throat, and respiratory tract. Long-term exposure can result in blindness and permanent lung damage. If you want to reduce toxins in your home, just keep watching and I'll show you how to create your own safe and affordable window and glass cleaner. You only need 4 things: some water, a small amount of vinegar, some bay leaves, and a small spray bottle that you can pick up at your local pharmacy or the gardening center of your big box store. Simply mix 1 cup of the water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And if you're worried about that vinegar smell, simply add 1 bay leaf for 24 hours. It'll cut that smell. You've just created an affordable, safe window and glass cleaner that you can use in your home. Now that the work is done, sit back and enjoy the view through those clean windows.